Okay, Sarah, what are we baking today? Because I honestly have no idea.
To quote The Raven, a basic chocolate cake. Ba-dum-ts.
Oh my god! What are the directions?
Preheat the blah 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 blah. Wait.
Sarah, I'm confused. Do I preheat the cooking spray or the oven?
You whisk the cocoa powder.
La cocoa powder.
And the 1.5 cups of boiling water.
You have an amazing French accent.
There seems to be a change of plan. So, we're not making basic chocolate cake. No. We're making the perfectly chocolate cake. I failed to realize what I was trying to say there for a moment.
I'll get started.
Stop judging me,
I
Brent.
didn't judge.
You must combine the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Add eggs.
Must I?
Yes. Sir.
Must I?
Mustang.
Mustard. Mustang.
Oh, that's a shirt. That's interesting.
Oh, I'm not doing a split today, boy.
Brent doesn't approve of the noises I make. I make some really weird, just like animal noises.
Yeah,
or just like...
Tell me when that reaches.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. I thought you were in pain.
No! You're not holding it straight.
I am holding it. No, you're not. Don't. Can you not shake it?
I had to.
When it's
what,
in
what
my...
are you doing?
2 cups, you said.
Okay.
You're the one with the instructions. You have to know these things.
Wait, then why do I have to watch you pour it into the cup?
You're my fan club. Cheer me on. I don't hear any cheering.
Brent, if he's our man, if he can't do it, great!
I'm just going to take my cup of sugar and go
That was my tribute to Robin Williams.
sit in the corner.
Okay, next we wait. We have to put 3/4 of a cup of this snuff into that snuff. So
That's a lot of snuff.
that is a lot of snuff.
Oh my god,
Does
I can't handle that
That
much
actually
snuff.
said 3/4.
I hope you had 3/4 in there.
Yeah, because that was like 3/4 last time. So
Okay.
you hate me, Brent.
I don't hate you.
Oh shit.
Did you spill?
No.
Okay.
Let's not talk about this.
So, did you want nachos, you said?
Yeah.
I made nachos!
I'm just gonna pick up these pieces of chocolate powder. They're just like...
The light.
It burns!
Oh my god, it's in my eyes.
This is really upsetting.
Oh, you did spill!
Shut up!
It's a nice mixture. It's beautiful, but frankly, it just looks like poop right now.
Yeah. It's just bouncing right off.
Yeah,
my
I know. Maybe we should get a fork. Oh, the smell is not so good.
First.
Ow!
Did you hurt yourself?
Yeah!
That's unfortunate.
Ow!
Is you okay?
I'll live,
Will
but I'll never be the same. Maybe, I'm not sure.
You get in on that mixture.
Ow!
You know how it is. Black and yellow.
I need a towel. Jesus, this is hot. That would explain why they call it boiling water. But...
Yeah, probably. You know?
Ready?
I mean, I guess. I think this should be completely mixed first, so you might want to hold off on your
Oh, but my hand is on fire.
Well, then remove your hand from the pot.
My hand is on fire. Ow.
So thick.
What, the mixture?
No, the mixture.
I just said,
It's a mixer.
I said mixture.
Sure.
It's my exotic accent.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, that's looking good and it smells even better.
It's because it's chocolate.
Well, yeah. You can't go wrong with chocolate.
Chocolate. I remember when
Oh my god, can we not?
French's chocolate issues.
It brings up bad memories.
Oh. Do you want to stir this?
No, I'm pouring the boiling water and having my
We
hands
can
burn.
switch jobs.
No, we can't!
It's going to pour in the hot water.
Actually, I think we're losing something.
Oh, well, we should do this quickly.
You may want to back up.
Yeah.
Hold the fork. Okay, never mind. Oh, God! Ah!
Ew.
We go!
That looks so unappealing.
Mix it anyway.
Ew, the water makes it smell funny.
It said to do that!
It's all your fault.
Don't blame me for things!
Too late!
Okay.
We mix in the stuff because he didn't spray the pan yet.
Oh, should I do that?
One might only imagine. Shake.
I do what I want!
Don't tell me how to live my life.
And what I do and what I want to do.
With spray pan. Like a good Brent. You didn't get the sides.
Is that...
Yeah, that's right. Don't argue with me. Funsa. Alrighty then. Oh, sweet. Hey, look, fork.
I hope this is deep enough. No. No. I meant the pan.
Oh, okay.
How does it taste?
Like chocolate.
Wow. Thank you.
Hey, you asked, man.
Yeah, I guess I did. Kind of walked into that. It's like the best tool. Please don't.
It's a little too late. As JoJo says. Right?
Oh, Jojo.
Not the kid, the singer.
Yeah, I know.
You still not done?
I just want to get every single chocolate.
Wait.
Okay. We go! See, we don't need music. We can make our own. Gimme.
Yeah. Ma, gimme, ma, gimme.
I stand corrected. Let's never make music again.
We got 35 minutes.
Then put it. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, timer. 3500. Do the thing. Yeah, there we go. Okay.
Ready.
Let's see how we can
Why don't you? Never mind.
What?
Nothing.
I am ready.
Someone should put that on a t-shirt. Just your face. Just like that. Or that.
I actually needed those back.
Alright.
Did it too soon. We should probably put a fork in it.
Probably. Or put a ring in it. On it. Put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring.
Fork. Knife. Yeah, knife. Same knife. Does it look like anything?
So it looks
It actually
good.
came out pretty well. So.
Drop the knife.
Oh my god.
Perfection.
Oh my god. Well, we should probably let it cool. So, this was another successful baking tutorial.
Dun dun dun. I think you have died.
It's so good. It's so good. Oh my god. You try.
But what is it again?
Chocolate cake? Perfect chocolate cake!
Badumts.
Oh, it's so perfect! I'm comfortable here.
What about finishing the rest of the cake?
No. I'm comfortable.
You know you have to record, though.
I can die in peace now that I've had delicious, perfect chocolate cake. Okay.
That wasn't creepy.
Okay.
Ready?
Here we go. I'm ready. Struggle.
Oh my god, you use a fork
Stop!
right.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'm just.
What does that mean? Okay, Sarah likes it.
Yep.
It was a success.
done.
It was a huge success. Yeah, we done.
Done.
We done.